8-letter English word in which each time you remove a letter, a new valid word forms. My question passes to you all. Name a 8-letter English word in which each time you remove a letter, a new valid word forms. The correct answer is starting. My second question goes to class 7th students. What is the name of Earth's outermost layer? The question passes to you all. What is the name of Earth's outermost layer? The correct answer is crust. My third question goes to class 8th students. Who is the founder of Arya Samaj? My question passes to you all. Who was the founder of Arya Samaj? The correct answer is Swami Dayanand Saraswati. My fourth question goes to class 9th students. Who wrote the book Their Eyes Were Watching God? The question passes to you all. Who wrote the book Their Eyes Were Watching God? The correct answer is Hurston. My fifth question goes to class 10th students. What is the value of cos 360 degree? My question passes to you all. What is the value of cos 360 degree? The correct answer is 1. My sixth question goes to class 11 students. Who had made the boundary lines between India and Pakistan? My question passes to you all. Who had made the boundary lines between India and Pakistan? The correct answer is Cyril Radcliffe. My seventh and last question goes to class 12th students. Which part of the computer is most prizeful? My question passes to you all. Which part of the computer is most prizeful? The correct answer is Graphic Processing Unit, GPU. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.
Poem.